Rudolph Flanagan.
Who's versions right now? Yeah.
We probably just figured it'd be easier to just do that instead of
Listen to him cry. And then he got out at first base. Nobody else has made it to well, nobody's made it to first base tonight. So this is the 10th batter. Nobody's got on base yet.
I mean, the pitchers are doing well. Both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they just didn't want to climb all the stairs.
Come on, guys, get it down there. It's a nice color dog, isn't it?
Yeah. I think that's probably hypoallergenic as well.
Robbery!
Hard to clap and hold the video camera at the same time.
So you got a trained on it.
Yeah, Blake and Luke. Nobody else is really doing anything right now.
At least you can't see me from there, can you?
No. What we might do is do a bunch of, like I got a bunch from last game and then this game, and then I'll try and get some from every single game, and then at the end get somebody who's good with photo editing or video editing to do it, go through, and we'll put like a good song to it or something.
Some of the good plays.
Yeah,
Or
just memories, right?
For crying out loud. Gets on base for something like that.
About what?